Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today, I'm trying the Revlon one-step volumizer, and I'm super excited. So today's actually Christmas, but I'm posting this next week because I have to film my what I got for Christmas video. Most of it's all back there. But I'm gonna try this out today and give you guys my honest opinion on it. So I'm gonna start unboxing it now and we're gonna try it in my bathroom back there. So I have curly hair, like naturally curly hair. So I'll be like super surprised if this works for me. I already let my hair dry just a little bit so it would be easier to dry it, because I heard it's better if you wait a little bit to dry your hair. So I let it dry for a bit and I just took it out of the box and I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. So it has like bristles on it. It's not rubber. It's literally like a regular brush. Kind of excited. So basically what the style tip said that is if you have thin hair like I do, use it on the low setting. If you have thick hair like some of my friends, they would have to use this on the high setting. So we're gonna go in my bathroom now and we're gonna try it out. So I just split my hair into two sections. I'm gonna do the bottom half now. So basically down here there's a little thing that says off, cool, low, and high. So you use low and high to blow dry your hair and you use cool to lock it into style. This is low, this is high, and this is cool. So I'm gonna start blow drying my hair and see how this works out. So I just finished the bottom of my hair and it only took like 3 minutes, which is crazy. So I'm gonna do the top part now and then I'm just gonna style it whenever I get done.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss it, and you deserve.
So I just finished blow drying it, and now I'm just gonna style it with the cool setting. So yeah.
Is as normal, missing someone.
So I just finished doing my hair, and this is how it turned out. These pieces of my hair never straightened, so I don't really care. But it was so quick, and it did such a good job. Like, I love it so much. It literally looks like I just got my hair cut, but I didn't. So, and my hair is naturally curly, so this really helps me if I need to straighten my hair somewhere and I only have like 30 minutes. So this is super nice. So honestly, if you want, this is a really good gift to give someone or to receive. I definitely recommend it. I got it for Christmas, but you should go out and buy it. Like, go and buy it, or ask for it for your birthday or Valentine's Day. I know that's coming up next. Literally ask for this. This is the best thing I've had, like the best hair thing I've had. I love it so much, and it makes my hair feel so soft. I definitely recommend this. Go get it now. Go get it now. I just want to say thank you guys for watching today's video. Definitely recommend it. Go buy it. It's definitely very cost efficient, and it's very time efficient because I did this in about 20 minutes, which is crazy because it usually takes me way longer to do my hair. So I hope you guys have an amazing winter break, and New Year's is coming up, so I hope you guys have a good New Year. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I love you all. Have an amazing day. Peace out, Girl Scouts.